Today I'll be teaching you how to make soft, tender chicken nuggets. First, you need chicken thighs, cornstarch, salt, garlic, black pepper, an egg, and breadcrumbs. Step 1. Coat the chicken in cornstarch to make it soft and tender. Leave it aside for 30 minutes. Wash and dry the chicken after 30 minutes. Cut the chicken into any size of your choice. Step 3. Marinate the chicken in pepper, salt, and chopped up garlic. Time to marinate. I want to bake the chicken nuggets, so remember to coat your tray with a bit of oil. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees before the next step. Take the chicken and dip it in flour, eggs, and in breadcrumbs. It's all covered. Chicken with a thin layer of oil. You can use a spray, but I'm using a brush. Done. Put the chicken in the oven at 180 degrees for 7-8 minutes and you're done. There you have it, soft and tender chicken nuggets. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till the next time we meet, bye!